Ang sabi nila, ang love hindi daw nagsisimula at nagtatapos sa kung anumang paraang alam natin. Ang magmahal ay parang pagsugod sa gera. Handa ka dapat masugatan at masaktan. Pero hanggang kailan? Kapag pala palagi mong hinahanap, doon mo lalong hindi mahanap. Kaya kapag nahanap mo na, akala mo tapos na. Parang pagbukas mo ng libro, akala mo simula na ng storya, may prologue pa pala. Lahat ng bagay sa buhay natin may timing. Pero bakit biglang nag-alarm yun sa akin?
Good morning pa. See you.
So, you ready for work?
Yep, let's go.
Nga pala, sunduin kita after work.
Okay.
And kamusta pala yung paghanap sa dad mo? How's the search?
Um, Actually, wala pa akong nahanap na kahit anong needs about my dad, but hopefully, soon makita ko na siya.
Or,
Gov Greg, ano ang inyong masasabi sa mga naririto ngayon para makita ang opening ng inyong newest project?
I just want to thank our sponsors for helping me or us to make this place more welcoming, especially for the kids that didn't have a home. And I would like to ask everyone to please continue supporting us for more future projects like this orphanage, where I believe na wala nang batang may iwan.
Thanks, Gov. What a wonderful project for the kids.
That's a hell of a great job, Dad. I'm sure na sobrang saya ng mga bata ngayon.
Don't worry, kid. You'll do the same in the future.
Oh, you know what, Dad? As I watched the kids on the news, I actually thought of Allie. And I'm proposing to her. And that's what I'm pondering about. Since then.
Wow, that's nice, son. But I hope na hindi mawala ang focus mo sa campaign. Which it's also getting close. Now, are you ready for some campaign meetings? Let's get going.
Ali, lunch! Let's go! Kumain muna tayo. Kanina ka pa nagtatrabaho dyan. Tara na! Uy, ano na?
Yeah, sorry. I was carried away. Tara?
Hay nako, Ali the workaholic. Sa susunod, bibigyan na kita ng trophy.
Grabe, ang dami namin paperworks kanina. I thought I wasn't going to finish early. Buti na lang nandito tayo.
Kaya nga nakakaloka ka. Akala ko hindi ka naalis sa office desk.
Sorry pero naghahabol lang talaga ako kasi ang dami nating choose for this month. Gusto ko na matapos lahat. Like, ang dami kong kaso, ang dami kong kailangan kausapin na kliyente.
Same. Diyos ko, gusto ko na rin matapos sa totoo lang.
Lisa, okay ka na? Lunch was good, no?
Ayan.
Let's go na. I'm quite busy eh.
Ali, may nagpapabigay. Ali.
Agila, nakita ko na si Valerie.
Hello, love.
Hi, love.
You know what? I'm really sorry talaga, love. I know we're supposed to meet kanina, but my schedule was a bit tight.
That's totally fine. Ako rin eh, super busy sa work and ang daming needs to consider. By the way, thank you sa food kanina ha. I really, really needed it.
That's good. Hopefully after the visit campaigns, we could na talaga. Why not we set a date?
Sure love, that would be nice. I'll make sure that I have extra free time. You're tired na love, no? Sige, since we're both busy naman today, let's get some rest na. I love you. See you.
Bawi talaga ako next time, love, ha? Love you too.
Hello, Dad.
Richard, where the heck are you? You have to talk to everybody here. At na malalaman kung wala ka dito.
Do I really have to go there, Dad? I'm actually with Ali.
I told you to stay focused, son. This is more important. This is your career, so now, get back here immediately.
Alright, I'll be there. Ali, I'm terribly sorry. I gotta go. Dad wants me to get there. Urgently.
Sige, okay lang. Go ahead. Medyo pagod na rin naman ako eh, so I'll go home na lang. Don't worry, love. May next time pa. Ano ba? Bitawan mo nga ako. Gusto mo ba tumawag ako ng pulis?
Valerie Trinidad, tama.
I'm sorry, do I know you? Bakit kilala mo ako?
Hello, love. I'm sorry the election is getting close. That's why my dad wants me to be there all the time. Ali, are you okay?
Yeah, sorry. I was preoccupied for a moment. What did you say?
I said I'm sorry. I know, paulit-ulit na lang. But let me explain.
No need, love. I know na maraming nagaganap sa buhay mo at the moment, so you don't need to apologize. We'll see each other naman next time.
Okay, love. After all the events tomorrow, let's meet. I'll sure that I am free and available that day so no one can interrupt us.
Sure, I could work half day naman. And it's been a tiring day na rin for the both of us, love. Pahinga na tayo. I'll see you soon, okay? Bye.
Sige, love. See you soon. Hello. I miss you. This matches with your dress. Ali, I really miss you so much. Matagal na kitang gustong kamustahin. How are you? How's work? If you're not feeling well, we could just go home and,
No.
you know.
It's okay.
That's great. That's okay. You know what? I'm really excited to have this date. Finally, di ba? You and me, together.
Yeah. Finally, umayo na din sa atin ang tadhana.
Tadhana. Speaking of Tadhana, I really believe that this is from our destiny. And I will take this opportunity for us to have this time to...
It's time? Anong it's time? Wow. Timing. Ang galing talaga ng tadhana, no? Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ba ako, magagalit, malulungkot, magtataka, ano pa? Hindi ko na alam.
Ali, what's happening with you?
What is happening? What's happening is alam ko na kung nasa ng tatay ko, Ricky.
Oh, that's good news. If that's the case, where is he?
Gusto mo malaman? Then why don't you go ask your dad? Tanungin mo siya kung nasa ng tatay ko.
I don't understand.
Dahil sa tatay mo, hindi ko na maulit makikita yung tatay ko. For the past years, hindi ako nawalan ng pag-asa makita siya ulit. Hindi ko naman inakala na sa dinami-dami ng tanong ko, nasa harapan ko lang pala yung sagot.
Ali, please, let's calm ourselves, okay? Can you please tell me in detail kung ano ba talagang nangyari sa dad mo?
Kayo po ba si Lawin?
Oo, ako nga.
Sino po ba talaga kayo? At bakit parang palagi ko kayo nakikita dati?
Kaibigan ako ni Valerio Trinidad. Si Aguila. Ako si David Bautista. Lawin. Alam ko yung tungkol sa tatay mo.
What do you mean? Ano pong alam niyo sa tatay ko?
Ako yung kasama ng tatay mo. Bago siya mawala. Isang araw, may nagtip sa amin ng location sa case na iniimbestigahan namin tungkol sa smuggling na nangyayari sa isang warehouse. Kaya pinuntahan agad namin ni Aguila. Hindi namin alam, isa pala yung patibong. Pilit ko minumulat yung mga mata ko. At sa sandaling iyon, nakarinig ako ng pamilyar na boses. At nang may mulat ko ang mata ko, nakita ko si George Masatalia. At ang sabi niya,
Hindi sila dapat mabuhay sa mundo ko. Hindi din dapat iisang hangin ang nilalangkap namin. Alam niyo na gagawin sa mga yan.
Oo, alam na namin, boss.
ilang beses nila kami binugbog. At ang natatandaan ko na lang ay natakbo kami ni Aguila. At habang tumatakbo kami papalayo, tinamaan siya ng bala sa paa.
Agila, may tama ka. Halika na. Lawin, mauna ka na. Siguraduhin kung makakabot ka sa ligtas na lugar. Hindi kita pwedeng iwan dito. May pamilya ang uuwian. Si Valerie. Ikaw na bahala kay Valerie.
Ang ibig niyo po ba sabihin? Patay na po ang tatay ko?
Valerie, pasensya ngayon lang tayong nagkita. Pasensya na hindi ko mang gusto yung iwan mag-isa si Aguila. Pero alam kong masaya siya ngayon, alam mo ng totoo. At may pag-asa na makamit ang hustisya.
I'm sorry, Ali. I don't think that my father could ever do that. Are you even sure about this, man?
Ako rin. I never imagined that your dad was capable of doing those things. Pero I have proof, Ricky. At yun ang totoo.
Ali, I'm sorry if this was true, but please hear me out. I don't even think that this would make sense, but let me help you to sort this out. Let's put this through together.
Ricky, akala ko sa libo-libong mali sa mundo, ikaw na yung tama ko. Pero mali pa rin pala talaga ako.
You believe in us naman, di ba? Alam mo, kaya naman natin mag-work eh. Even sobrang chaotic ang mga nangyayari ngayon. We made the promise, di ba? I love you.
Ricky, I also want to believe in us, pero hindi ko kaya magmahal ng taong siya rin yung dahilan kung bakit ako nasasaktan. I'm sorry, pero hindi kita kayang mahalin. Hindi ko kayang mahalin ang pamilya mo. And at the same time, mahalin at ipagluksa ang tatay ko.
Ali, please give us a chance. I would do everything para itama ang mga mali. Please, stay. Please. Ali, I will use my authority and my power.
Puro ka ganyan! Yan ang problema sa'yo! All you think about is power! Nang dahil dyan sa leching power na yan, nasira na tayong dalawa! Ricky! Nawala ang tatay ko dahil sa tatay mo! Tapos ngayon gusto mo ng chance? Kung yung tatay ko nga hindi nagkaroon ng pagkakataon eh. So why the hell would I give that to you? Or even to myself? That would be so unfair to my dad. Alam mo, siguro matagal na tayo sinesenyasan ng tadhana eh. Na kaya hindi tayo mabigyan-bigyan ng oras ang magkasama. Because maybe, we were meant to be always apart.
Akala ko tayo hanggang dulo. Ang sabi mo
I'm a prisoner of love. Because even though love didn't work for me this time, I'm still happy. Because there was a time in my life when there wasn't us. Meron ako ikaw sa araw-araw, so I hope na kahit hindi man masagot ng pag-ibig ang lahat ng problema sa mundo, piliin mo pa rin sana mahalin ng ikaw kahit wag na ako. No matter how hard we try to make things work, kapag tadhana na ang humarang, kahit anong pilit nating laban, uuwi pa rin tayong luwa.
But one thing is clear for me. Hanggat kaya pang makipaghabulan sa tadhana, patuloy na pipiliin ng tama, magmahal man o magpalaya. We tried, but still, we were always meant to be apart. Sana nung una pa lang, hindi namin nahal. Kung mahal